Hey there, welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to learn about the various farm animals you might come across on a farm. So, let's jump right in. First up, we have cows. They're large animals popular for their milk and beef production. Cows are often found grazing in open fields and are a common sight on farms. Next, we have sheep. These fluffy animals are known for their wool, which is used to make clothing and textiles. They're also raised for their meat, called lamb or mutton. Now let's talk about pigs. These intelligent animals are raised for their meat, known as pork. Pigs are also known to be good at finding truffles, a rare and expensive fungus. Moving on to horses. Horses have been domesticated for centuries and are often used for riding, racing, and working. They're also a symbol of strength and grace in many cultures. Our next farm animal is the goat. Goats are versatile creatures, providing milk, meat, and fiber. They're also known for their ability to clear land and control weeds. Let's not forget about chickens. Chickens are raised for their eggs and meat, making them a staple on many farms. They come in various breeds, each with unique characteristics.
Now, on to ducks. Ducks are waterfowl known for their meat, eggs, and down feathers. They're also natural pest control, as they eat insects and slugs.
Turkey is another popular farm bird. Turkeys are raised primarily for their meat, which is commonly consumed during festive occasions like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Donkeys are strong and hardy animals, often used for work or as a companion to horses. They're known for their distinctive braying sound and stubborn nature.
Rabbits are small mammals raised for their meat and fur. They're also popular pets, thanks to their cute appearance and gentle temperament.
Geese are large waterfowl known for their loud honking and aggressive behavior. They're raised for their meat, eggs, and down feathers.
Roosters and hens are male and female chickens, respectively. Roosters are known for their early morning crowing, while hens are valued for their egg-laying abilities. Finally, we have pigeons. Often overlooked, pigeons are raised for their meat, known as squab. They're also bred for racing or as show birds. And that concludes our list of farm animals. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Thanks for watching.